Hey, what is up guys, Jake here and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the iPad Pro 12.9 inch 2021 model. That would be the M1 model, and this is the 128 gigabytes. So for a while I've been debating if I wanted an iPad Pro or not, because though it is a very overpriced drawing tablet, it is still, from what I've heard, the best drawing experience for artists, because the display, the colors are very accurate, the display, there's next to no parallax, and the drawing feedback is probably the smoothest drawing experience. And after having this tablet for a month, I can say that I agree. Whether I agree with the price point is another thing, but I can say with absolute certainty that the drawing experience is unbelievable, especially when paired with a screen protector. Now, when doing this unboxing, I first had gotten a paper-like screen protector, and I quickly regretted this decision. So after not even a week of use, the paper-like screen protector completely scratched up. Like, not to a point where, oh, it's kind of noticeable. No, the display was pretty much like covered in scratches. So being a $50 screen protector, it was kind of a bit like, it hurt, and also it was very disappointing. But I ended up throwing him out, and a few weeks ago went on Amazon and I bought another pack of screen protector from iCares, and it's been maybe 3 weeks now and there's still not a single scratch on that screen protector. So yeah, don't listen to those sponsored videos. Paperlike is not worth it. The cheaper screen protectors are much better. But yeah, I've unboxed the iPad. Now here's the Apple Pencil. Not much going on, just some fancy packaging for a plastic pen. Being a mainly like computer digital artist, the pens on those drawing tablets are huge, so having a normal size pen for digital art kind of feels odd, but after a while it just felt natural. Now, after having everything unboxed, I am gonna put on the paper-like screen protector. So while the screen protector isn't that good, I can say that the packaging is very cute. There's a nice little note, and there's a lot of instruction. Like, they will not let you install this thing wrong. It's just the product itself would need to change, because something that brands itself as being an artist and creative screen protector, to have that paper feel for more natural feeling with the Apple Pencil, it scratches way too easily, especially for the price point. So yeah, after reading the instructions and having that video on the QR code, I got the screen on using a card to take out the air bubbles, and yep, screen protector is completely on. Now turning on the iPad for the first time, setting it up, putting the language, my Apple ID, country, etc. The basic things. So in the background, I will be drawing Mark from the After Class visual novel. This is a commission that I had to do for the game because I am drawing the sprites for it. So yeah, that'll be playing in the background, and this was drawn entirely on the iPad Pro using Procreate and the Apple Pencil. So how did my experience go with the iPad Pro? So it was a bit odd getting used to it because, like I said, I'm mainly a computer digital artist. I have a Huion Canvas 22, I use a keyboard for my shortcuts, and then I have my pencil to draw with. So being on a completely touch interface really was a learning curve. I was happy though that I was able to import my Photoshop brushes into Procreate, so that was a nice thing. So at least it wasn't completely alien to me. but the drawing feel and the navigation through menus was a bit tough at first. But I can say that with the matte screen protector and the instantaneous drawing feedback, it felt very much like drawing in a sketchbook. Like, I draw very different on paper than I do on digital, but using the iPad Pro, it just felt like drawing on a sketchbook with digital features, which is kind of weird to say, but that's really all I can think of. It is really fun to draw on, and also there's not as much hassle as, you know, a normal sketchbook or trying to open up a digital art program on your computer. It's just pick up, open the app, and you're ready to draw in seconds. So that is something that I really much love about this, and it's probably one of the main reasons I wanted to get an iPad, is because of how hassle-free it is to get into drawing. You just pick it up, open the app, and you're ready to go. And the best part is you can take it anywhere with you. So I'm not stuck to my desk, which is something that sometimes I don't really like to do. Like, sometimes I want to be able to lay down in my bed and draw, but I can't do that. So the performance, well, it is very much a tablet, so there's not much that can push these things to its limit. I did download some 3D programs and I have yet to play with those, but I'm excited to do that as well because 3D modeling is something I haven't done in a while, and I'm really excited to get back into it. And especially with it being on an iPad, I could do it anywhere just like I can with drawing. So yeah, performance, haven't seen anything that could really make it struggle, so it's a very smooth experience. It is very limited on software, but I find my ways around it. There's a lot of apps that I'm starting to use for my own leisure and also for my work. So obviously using Procreate now to do all my drawings, but I've also downloaded LumaFusion to edit videos, and this video was entirely edited on LumaFusion, and I gotta say it is a pretty nice video editing software. At least it's much smoother than using DaVinci Resolve. For some reason, DaVinci Resolve on my computer just does not work. It is slow, it is sluggish, it crashes constantly, and LumaFusion, while getting around the touch-based editing workflow, was a bit of a hassle. It was a much greater experience trying to edit on it because at least the performance just was flawless. So yeah, all I can say is that I've been really enjoying my time using the iPad Pro, and I am not regretting the money that I spent on it. It is still a bit expensive, so if you're looking to get into an iPad, I'd still recommend maybe going for the iPad Air or maybe iPad Mini or the normal iPad, since those are much cheaper options. But overall, it is a fantastic tablet if you can find the right uses for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.